if you're a senior person or aged in a higher level, like for example over 60 or something like that, and you live in a house or a condo, and the house or your home is not getting as comfortable as used to be for you, when the same way when you have a small kid, you child-proof your house. When you get a little older, you need senior-proof your house as well, for yourself, for your health, for your well-being, not only physically, mentally, and psychologically as well. When you get the empty nested, even need more of this assistance in your home to make it more comfortable for you. As I mentioned, it could be physically or psychologically. I wrote a book called Beyond Ages regarding this matter, and I was lucky enough to become a bestseller author. And then what I'm doing is I'm just helping people like you, either for yourself or for your parents that are older and need assistance, so I can make their home more senior resistance or senior proof or more comfortable for them to live in. Call me, we can chat and meet in their place and get together to find the best solution at the best price possible. Okay, have a good one.